How am I supposed to do this correctly? Do I just cut this off? Is that how I do it?
Eggplant. Ni Mimi.
No, I did not make this mess.
The cut a flower.
You're not supposed to.
That one. That one is.
Those ones are big.
Wag mong ituro yung ganyan.
That one is big.
Oh, there's here.
Oh, sige, guntingin mo na, Rod.
Where?
It's
There?
so ganito.
These? Cut.
Hawakan mo naman ang CJ. Ikaw ang katulong niya.
Oh, and this one? Okay. Cut. Hold. Cut these two.
Oh, that one is
Do
very.
I cut both of these at the same time? Could I do that?
Yeah. Pati
That's-
naman yun, oh. Kinat mo.
Kinat mo naman
Siya.
kaya yung flower
Pati
niya.
flower niya, kinat mo. Ito, matigas na ba to?
Ayun yung nauna eh.
Oo.
Nauna naman yan sa ano.
Wag na, Mimi.
No?
Wag na.
Okay.
Bakit? Tigas na?
Sige, Rod. Alay mo, Rod.
Hindi na. Tigas?
Do I cut this now? No. Cut.
Tingnan mo kung walang madamay. Madamay naman yung isa. Taas mo, ah. Oh, sige, ganyan.
This is a big eggplant.
At least it didn't touch the dirt.
Anak.
Yay.
Here.